This is the REDTIGER F4 Pro. It's a dash cam. There's two cameras in here. The front one is a 4K camera. The rear one is a 1080p. It's also voice control. And this is what we got on the box. A little bit of info on it. We'll have a look on the other side. And this is everything that came in the box itself. It's got this little cover that was in there. It's rather interesting. You've got an app book, you've got the user manual and a quick start guide. This is your power supply, cigarette lighter it goes into. It's a type C connector at the other end. There's a fair bit of wire there, which is good. You get a little connector, and this is the one that goes on to the windscreen using one of these little pads. And it's removable, which is great. They even give you this little device here, so you can actually sort of lever the section of the head lining out of the way and run the wires through it, which is rather good. This is the main camera. This is the 4K one itself. Pretty impressive. We'll be putting it to the test later and seeing how it goes. You've got a couple of spare 3M stickers. These are rather handy also. These are little sections that you tear off. You put it over the windscreen where you want to clean it, so it will clean all the rubbish and static off the windscreen before you actually use the adhesive. So that's pretty important. It's got some instructions on how to use it. This is the rear camera. And again, you've got an adhesive pad, fair bit of lead in it, just goes into a standard supply. And as you can see, it rotates. I should have mentioned earlier that this particular camera also rotates. You can sort of get it to go forward or back. So that's pretty impressive. And we've got a few other little bits and pieces here. You can see little tips for redirecting the wires. So I've got to go and put it into the car, which we'll do, and we'll check it out. And this is the 4K camera itself. It comes complete with a 128 gig REDTIGER SSD, micro SSD, so that's pretty handy. Don't have to go out and buy one. And the REDTIGER has a few little tricks up its sleeve, as they say. It's voice activated. Show rear camera. Show front camera, and it has quite a few other ones. I'll put them up on the screen and let you have a look, and I can confirm each of them work. I've installed the REDTIGER app, and you can see the details on the screen from the front camera. Down the bottom are all the stats. We've also got the rear view camera, and you can freeze it and actually increase the size of the image, and you can read the rego, so it's pretty impressive.